Welcome, viewer. I'm going to start off by talking about my overarching learning goals, how I accomplish them, and finally, at the end, I will discuss what mark I believe I should be getting. Firstly, my approaches to the OLG leadership skill. Prior to the winter break, I decided to apply to the multiple clubs to participate in, collaborate, and gain experience from. I applied to the Science Club, Math Club, MedLife, and Japanese Club. All these clubs have a significant impact on me as they are my clubs of interest and I want to learn more about them. I then signed up for the presenter role in the Japanese club. I went through the process and unfortunately the results have still not been provided to the club members. Once again, I'm sure when the results come, I will be able to become an executive. Another piece of evidence that will back up my leadership skill is my future club called Mississauga Financial Club. This club is meant for the community, which is going to be run by my friend and I. We read through some books and found out that multiple individuals throughout the community, ages lower than 18 and above, don't know about debt, loan, tax, and more. So my friend and I discussed it to begin at the end of June. The reason was that running a public club during school time wasn't going to work as the pandemic has narrowed the time and work for us students. In the future, this will be an efficiently run public club. Secondly, my approaches to the OLG's self-regulation skills. Following this year, I made a New Year's resolution to build a schedule or routine in order to manage time. I began with a simple to-do list on a whiteboard, which was messy, unorganized, and not as helpful, since sometimes I don't know when to do the tasks. Prior to this idea, I researched upon organizing a schedule and techniques to follow them. Many videos suggested that I needed to isolate myself from distractions to complete these tasks. Keeping this in mind, I made a more organized schedule that looks like this. When completing the schedule, I followed the essential tips and tricks to keep myself organized and productive. While doing so, I might have forgotten some tasks here and there, however, I tried my best. I then thought to myself, I could make it better. Rather than researching, I asked my friends and peers how they approach time management. Most of them recommended using the calendar app on the Mac, so I tried it out, plotted my plan. It worked like a charm. Since I was on my Mac for most of the day, it sent reminders, alarms, and specific times on when it should start and end. I know the calendar schedule worked better than the whiteboards. However, I know I can make it look better than this video. In the future, the skill will be perfected. Thirdly, my response to the OLG reflection. Some skills I need to enhance on are communication and inquiry. When it comes to communicating in class, I don't participate in class discussions as often. I'm very introverted when it comes to talking in class. Outside of class, talking to friends and peers isn't an issue. I need to get over the fact of thinking about what might happen if I do this, or questions that are too dumb. This is still a skill that needs a lot of attention, and hopefully by the end of Quadmester 3, I will be able to speak more confidently. Now, the skills I improved upon are time management, balance, and self-discipline. As explained from before, I went from no schedule or productivity whatsoever to a scheduled routine that keeps myself focused. Next, we have balance. When it comes to balancing myself, I go for walks, sometimes I do workouts, school works, studying, and keeping myself healthy. This progress can be seen on my 21-day challenge and it shows how I accomplished them. Another skill I gained was self-discipline. When comparing myself from midterm to the end of quadmester, personally I found that I disciplined myself to do work, manage my time, and be an overall better student. Finally, my preference on what level I believe I should be getting. Before explaining, I'll go through on what I exceeded, achieved, approached, and emerged. I exceeded on managing my time. As I explained from before, I went through a long process to reach my learning goal, and it will always stick with me. I achieved self-discipline during the course as I learned to balance and keep myself focused. I approached the leadership skill as I created my own club for teaching with a friend. I emerged upon participating outside of a class and gaining new knowledge on my future path. As a result of all this work, I know I deserve a low level 7 or a 96%. From the improvements to the skills I gained, I believe this is my mark. Thank you for listening to my final course video assessment.